How about another one?
Yeah.
Here you are, daylight star, made out of miracles, emotions on your own, you alone, oh so incredible. Each atom sings to me, set me free from chains of the physical. Oh free me, oh free me. Mirror melts somewhere else inside eternity, where you on outstretched wings, sitting within the garden of everything, where memories come to me, backward dreams, a phantom reality. Come to me, come to me. So here we are, lost dimensions, in supernova, lost and inside. Every touch and temptation, and for every sense of sensation. Eyes of pure measure, I don't believe. Some started, then late, not to fade, quite inseparable. Each atom seems to me, set me free, change of physical. Free, free. Love like ours, starry clouds, seasons, centuries.